Hey guys, my name is Talia. I'm a staff member at Discovery and I'm going to help you do your homework today. So basically, Carly has this question on her final and she wants to reword it to see whether or not that'll help more students get the answer correct. And so in her original experiment, she wants to put the new phrasing, like reword the question, and put the new phrasing on this semester's final, and then compare the amount of people that get that question right on this final with the amount of people that got it right on the last final with the old phrasing. So I kind of wrote out shortened versions of all the answers here. A is wrong. Obviously, this experiment has to be improved in some way because what Carly is originally doing is she's taking a different group of students, last semester students, and they have that question, and then she's changing the question and then seeing how a new group of students, a different group of students, answers a different question. So there's no consistency there. There's not a lot of ways you can accurately see how the change in question will improve students' answers because the previous group of students is going to have people who are better at certain subjects, people who are maybe know a little bit more about statistics, they're different people and they're going to answer it differently. You want to change it in some way. So A is wrong. B is kind of the same thing. There's really no reason to do this combination of all past semesters thing, and you're still looking at old historical answers instead of looking at how a change is going to affect students' answers. So B is also wrong. Here, C and D, this is the most hotly contested competition here. Most students are probably going to either answer C or D, and there's a good reason for that because they're pretty similar. So D will look pretty tempting because you're kind of comparing, making sure each group has equal demographics, and that looks appealing. That looks like it would be the right answer, especially because you're splitting it half and half. However, we do know that in experiments, whenever you can randomize something, whenever you can eliminate human intention with any part of your experiment and make it completely random, you want to do that. So C is going to end up being the right answer because randomization is always best.